Zone. Hi kids! Today we'll learn words that begin with the letter sound. Let's go! Hen. Hen begins with the letter sound. Hockey. Hockey begins with the letter sound. Hot. Hot begins with the letter sound. Helicopter. Helicopter begins with the letter sound. Heroic. Heroic begins with the letter sound. Harmonic. Harmonic begins with the letter sound. Helmet. Helmet begins with the letter sound. Hut. Hut begins with the letter sound.
We have explored lots of words that start with letter sound. And now it is the time for the fun quiz. I am going to give you clues about other words that start with. Can you guess what it is? Here is your first clue. This animal has a long mane and tail, and it runs very fast. People often ride it or use it to pull carts. It can be found on farms and in races. What is it?
This is a horse.
That's right. Let's reveal the card to see if you guessed correctly. Great job! You guessed correctly. Now, let's have another quiz. Here is your next clue. This sweet, sticky food is made by bees. It is often used in tea or spread on toast. It is golden in color and comes from flowers. Can you guess what it is?
This is honey.
That is right. This is honey. Let's see if you guessed correctly. Fantastic job! You guessed all the words correctly. Keep watching for the next fun quiz. Now for more words that start with. Say them with me. Let's go!
Handbag. Handbag begins with the letter sound. Horn. Horn begins with the letter sound. Hands. Hands begin with the letter sound. Hippo. Hippo begins with the letter sound. Hammer. Hammer begins with the letter sound. Hospital. Hospital begins with the letter sound.
Now let's start our last quiz. Here is your clue. This is something you wear on your head to protect it from the sun or to stay warm. It comes in many shapes and sizes. People often wear it when they go outside, and it can be made from cloth, wool, or even straw. What am I talking about?
This is a hat.
You are right. This is a hat. Let's reveal the card to see the answer. That is right. This is a hat.
Thank you for watching. Let's learn the next letter sound.
I.